As many of you may remember in the earlier video when we did the install for the TrailRax roof rack, we did not put the mounting plates on yet that came with it. We want to touch up those, paint match those, make them look real nice. So we did that here recently. I wanted to show you what we did for that. We bought some self-etching primer, some paint coat match to match the factory paint, and some matte clear coat so it would match the expel look that we already have.
Alright, so here we go, all fully painted and ready to go. Now, how good you can see it in the camera. Anyway, just need a 2mm hex head and a 5/16 inch wrench to put all these little holes in, line them up. Like I said, I don't know if you can see it for the camera, but you can kind of get an idea there. It is pretty close to what the front looks like. So anyway, just want to show this to you guys real quick. Like I said, it's pretty close. So yeah, I mean, I don't expect it to be necessarily the exact match, and it also depends on the lighting too. So anyway, just want to show this to you guys real quick. We'll throw it on and we'll show you what it looks like. It's cactus gray paint. And there's the cactus gray paint there too. So like I said, pretty close match. You know, when you stand back, you definitely aren't going to be able to tell the difference. But it's definitely a good color match, though. Very impressed with it. I don't know if pictures do any good justice, but looks pretty good to me. Alright, so here's the passenger side. As you can see, pretty close to the cactus gray as you want to get. When you pull away from it here, it's kind of hard to tell in the video, so I'll give you that. But it matches pretty well. So, like I said, I know you probably can't really tell it from this camera angles and the lighting, but it's a pretty direct match. So I'm very impressed with it. I think most people will like it when they see it in person. So if you see this out, look at it for yourself and judge for yourself. Anyway, hope you guys like and subscribe. See you later.